How is it going, guys, and welcome to another video. On this video I will be showing you how to unlock a Samsung Galaxy. I will be unlocking a Samsung Galaxy S9, but keep in mind that the process works for any Samsung Galaxy. It is very easy and we will be doing it together step by step. So let's start with the first step. Once your phone is on, go to the dial screen. In here you will have to dial *#0 6#. A 15-digit number will appear on your screen. Go ahead and write down this number. We will need it on our next step. Now let's go ahead and turn off the phone. And now we will go to our computer and let's go to the website unlockpanda.com. Keep in mind that the process is not free. However, the cost is nothing compared what your phone will actually be able to do. So in here you will have to enter some information about your phone, like the original carrier, in this case is AT&T, United States, the manufacturer, which is Samsung, and the model, which on this specific case it's a Samsung Galaxy S9. And on the next field you will have to enter the 15-digit number which we got on the previous step. And lastly, go ahead and enter the email where you wish to receive the unlock code. And at the bottom you can see the cost and the delivery time. So let's go ahead and click unlock. Now you will have a chance to double check that all the information you provided is correct, and if everything is okay, go ahead and click agree with the terms and conditions and proceed with the payment. So we're doing our payment with PayPal, and after you're done with the payment, after a couple of days you will receive an email just like this, which will contain step-by-step instructions as well as the unlock code. Okay, so we are almost done, so let's just go to the last step. We have to insert an unsupported SIM. In this case, it's gonna be any SIM except one from the original provider, which was AT&T. And remember guys, that the price and the delivery time for every model is different. So after the SIM is inserted and the phone is turned on, you should get an automatic message just like this: enter network unlock code. This is the code that you got on your email. So make sure you enter that number correctly. Remember that this code works specifically just for this phone. If you enter this code on another phone, it won't work. So after you enter the unlock code correctly, go ahead and press OK. Yes, there you go guys, it's unlocked. Now you can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide. Enjoy your phone and don't forget to subscribe.